Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is September 25th, 2025, Thirsty Thursday. We are in the midst of a pullback here. 2 minutes to go before the New York Open, by the way. But as you can see, we're having an orderly pullback here in this rampaging bull market. Perfectly normal price action and to be expected, in fact, anticipated. And you can see that we now have a down day here again today, guys. Nice bearish body here, pulling down, taking out 4 prior days. Price action on the NASDAQ. Similar situation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days on the S&P taken out, and a bunch over here on the Dow as well. Right across the board, weakness in selling, of course. This is my trading grid, guys. Daily 30 and 1 minute chart. I'll sometimes use the 30-second chart here in a fast market when things are really moving, but most of the time it's a 1 minute chart. Daily 30 and 1. Here's my 30-minute time frame, guys. This is my zone chart. Simple support and resistance. A child could do this. It's not rocket science. As you can see, we have broken down into this clean traffic range down here. This goes back to Wednesday, September 17th, a very choppy, ugly day. But we are now down there trying to pull back up again. But as you can see, it's been a weak London session here in the second half of London, dropping quite a bit harder as we did in the second half of New York yesterday. This candle only happened after Europe had closed at 11:30. And then pushed down. Eventually pulled back a little bit in the afternoon, but we definitely have some weakness going on. Here's all-time highs, guys, from Monday. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, and now we're into Thursday. And there's the 1 minute opening range, guys. We are looking at 46.5 points on the NASDAQ, fairly significant. And on the S&P, about 7.25 points. Going to be ridiculously patient here this morning, guys, after this big move this morning in London. Close the naked body here on the daily chart. There's the Asian open range way up here at the top of the screen. There's the London open range, very tightly wound right about here. I'm going to delete those now to keep my charts nice and clean. I don't think they're going to be in play here this morning, certainly for the first couple of hours. There's a nice expanded view of the New York open range. There's an expanded view of my 30-minute chart. Nothing for me to do here, guys. Just dropping down here a little bit, guys. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. If it closes below the open range, I will sell the bottom of the candle. Stop above the open range. It's about 65 points on the stop for now, for sizing. That's for me. Here we go, guys. Sell stop order right here. Stop above. 66.75 point stop. Really playing into the momentum here, guys, and I'm in. I am in. Short. The Nazi. This is a pretty early entry for me, guys, as many of you will know. Being aggressive here this morning because the market's being aggressive here this morning. Simply taking my cue from the market's nature and personality this morning. Because that's the dance. Because that is the tempo, the rhythm, and the footwork of the dance today. And I'm simply deciding whether I want to participate in that dance or not. And get in sync and aligned with it. And that's what I'm choosing to do. Pretty simple, really. Why am I short, guys? Hopefully it's obvious. We've taken out 4 days here, now 5 days on the daily. Just broken a very key shift candle here on the daily chart, broken below. We're in the clean traffic range on the 30-minute chart. The momentum, the sentiment, the flow, the rhythm, the tempo is all saying going down, southbound. I'm simply tossing the coin here, guys, and calling heads. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. And now we'll wait and see what happens to these other traders. Now you will notice, guys, that I placed my stop all the way on the other side of the open range instead of just above this pivot. This trade would be done if I placed it here more aggressively, but you never know after a significant move like this how extended this move can be and how quick those snapbacks can be, especially near the open. So I played it more conservatively, if you will. That also means I have a bigger target to reach, and that can sometimes cost the trader. It's always a trade-off. All right, guys, as you can see, we've pulled all the way back to my original entry, and so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. Waiting for one more push higher here, guys, between the dip buyers coming in and taking advantage of these bargains and a positive reaction to the 10 a.m. news. We are not going lower for now. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Hope you have an amazing afternoon. And I'll see you tomorrow for Freaky Friday. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.